welcome to the shortest video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this video, I'm going to be saying as little as possible, so pay attention. The first thing you need to know is two algorithms. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. So for the first step, we are going to be using the first algorithm. And you're going to notice that the algorithm swaps this piece with this piece. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to solve every single edge piece. We are going to pretend like the corners do not exist for this step. First thing you need to do is hold the cube in any orientation, it doesn't matter right now. Find the top layer and find the piece to the right. Now you are going to pay attention to what this piece is. This is the green and white. Now you're going to notice that this piece goes right here because it's between the green and the white centers, but more importantly, this top sticker goes to this sticker. Now with that knowledge, we are going to do special moves called setup moves to move this sticker right here so that when we swap, we can undo those moves to put this sticker here and it will solve the edge. One thing you need to pay attention to is that you don't move any of these three pieces while doing your setup moves. Okay, now using these moves, you have to find a way to move this sticker to here. And how you could do that is with L wide, D prime, L2. Do your first algorithm to swap the pieces and undo those setup moves. And now you notice that this piece has been swapped. If you ever get to a case where this piece in the top right is already solved, you don't want to swap it because it will unsolve this piece. What you want to do is rotate the cube to where your top right piece is not solved. If you ever have the scenario where your top right piece is in its spot but flipped, find any unsolved piece and swap it with that. Since this piece is already in its spot, you can just do the algorithm and then proceed from there. Okay, when you're done, your cube should look something like this with all of its edge pieces solved. And now you're going to pay attention to the corner pieces only, not the edge pieces. Don't worry about what the edge pieces do. So as the first algorithm swapped these two pieces, the second algorithm swaps these two pieces. Like before, we're going to use that logic to solve all the corner pieces. And like before, there are also forbidden pieces to move, which are going to be these three pieces. Back to our scrambled cube, you're going to look at the sticker that when you find the top layer, you're going to find the top left piece and look at this side of it specifically. Now you notice that this piece is white, orange, and green, so you're going to find the white, orange, and green centers. That means the piece needs to go here, but specifically this sticker, so it needs to go here. Now, like before, we are going to use setup moves to bring the specific sticker we need to swap to into the spot that it swapped with. So how we move this sticker to here is F, R prime. Now the sticker is here. You're going to do your swap. Now undo those moves, R, F prime, and now this piece should be solved. Like before, if you do end up solving this piece, just reorient your cube to a piece that is not solved. Also, like before, if the piece that you're swapping with is in its correct spot but not completely solved, you just need to swap it with an unsolved piece. If you do everything right, when you're done with your corners, you should end up with a completely solved cube. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.